In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a board in Trello, a tool that's perfect for organizing tasks, managing projects, and boosting productivity. First, let's navigate to Trello. Open your web browser and enter trello.com in the address bar. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Now, once you're logged in and on the main page, you'll want to head to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it to begin the process of setting up a new board. After clicking Create, a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Create Board and click on it. This is where we'll start by configuring our new board. Now, when you've selected Create Board, you'll be prompted to make a few decisions, starting with the background of your new board. You'll notice several colorful options that Trello provides to help personalize your board. While it may be tempting to select the prettiest one, try to pick a background that's easy on the eyes since you'll be spending a lot of time here. Once you've settled on a background, it's time to name your board. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the topic or project you'll be using the board for. This makes it easier to locate and helps keep everything organized as you create more boards. A thoughtful name will provide you, and anyone else you invite to the board, a clear idea about its purpose at just a glance. Next up is setting your board's visibility. Trello gives you a choice here. You can make your board private, team visible, or public. Private means only you can see it. Team visible means it's accessible to everyone in your Trello workspace, and public makes it available to the general public. Carefully consider who needs access before making a final decision. It's important to strike a balance between accessibility and privacy, especially if your board contains sensitive information. Now that you've chosen your background, named your board, and set the visibility, it's time to finalize and create your board. To do this, locate the Create button, usually found at the bottom right of the menu, and click on it. Congratulations, you've just created a new Trello board. But remember, this is just the beginning. Once you have your board in place, you can start adding lists and cards to organize tasks, set due dates, assign tasks to team members, and much more. That's it for today's walkthrough on setting up a board in Trello. Following these simple steps will get you started on organizing your projects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your workflow.